Hello, friends. So, I'm Dr. Sona Kaushal Gupta. I'm a neuropsychologist and I'm based in Dehradun. I have started this series of talks by the name of Social Impact. And on this, I talk about topics which are of psychological and social interest and which cause some ripples in the society. Today, I want to take up a very important. I want to talk about a very important news item which I had read in the Pioneer, and they had written that stop using children as props because it's child abuse, and my views were also there along with the views of some other experts. And I totally agree with this view. Child abuse in India, it's violence against children and it's widespread and it remains as an unfortunate reality for millions of children from all socio-economic groups in India. Both girls and boys in India face early marriage, domestic abuse, sexual abuse, violence at home, in school, trafficking, online violence, child labor, bullying, all forms of violence, abuse, exploitations have long term consequences on children's lives. So, this is what I want to bring to your notice. That today we see that lot many rallies, lot many political, social, other rallies, they just use children as props. They take them on roadshow rallies. They make them hold placards, they make them shout slogans for some gains, maybe political gains, maybe some social gains, and which I am totally against, because this is, as I just read out, has a very long lasting effect on the psyche of the children, on the lives of children. So we should refrain from doing this. I want to bring to your notice that some time back there was an NGO which was dealing with a lot of cleansing up of the city in a certain city I had been to, and that NGO used had terms with some schools, and they sent their children from the lower classes holding placards of that NGO and walking and propagating the social cause that keep the city clean. But it was very hot and the children were sweating it out, and they were made to walk on the roads. Some other I see at some other rallies, small children hold placards and they hold slogans on that, and they sometimes say Zindabad or something after the adults have spoken out. They don't even know it. दे डोंट इवन नो इट. उन बच्चों को पता भी नहीं है कि हम बोल क्या रहे हैं. उनको उसका बस ये पता है कि चिल्लाना है. गेम्स अडल्ट का हो रहा है फॉर वट एवर रीजन्स. देर वॉज अ वेरी फेमस laureate who had come to our city some time back, and he was dealing with children. I won't name him, but when he had come to the city, there were lots of people, well-meaning people maybe, or who knew him, and they contacted us and they wanted us to get in contact with schools so that they could send children, and so that those children could be the audience of that gentleman who had been awarded awards in welfare of children. And it was it was raining and the grounds had to be filled up with children, they say, and those children were just brought from schools and made to stand there. Small children, they didn't even understand what was happening. तो कई बार बच्चों को पता ही नहीं होता कि बोल क्या रहे हैं, और जो बोलने वाला है या जिस कॉज के लिए हम लोग उनको सड़कों पे या स्लोगन्स के लिए खड़ा कर रहे हैं, बस उनको उनकी साइकी पे तो इफेक्ट पड़ता है, साइकोलॉजिकल साइकी. I mean, they know that to scream is right. They know that you have to scream to get something. They see the adults doing it. So the role models, हम लोग किस तरह के रोल मॉडल्स बन रहे हैं, हम किस तरह की शिक्षा दे रहे हैं. कॉज अच्छा हो सकता है, मे बी द कॉज इज गुड, बट वाई यूज चिल्ड्रन? दिस इज चाइल्ड अब्यूज. It is child abuse in another form, and I'm totally against it. And I hope आपको कहीं पर भी the aim of this social impact today, my video today, is that please do not treat children for your personal gains. I'm talking to the adults. And if you see that it is happening somewhere, आप उसके खिलाफ बोलिए. बच्चों का यूज़ रैलीज़ में या स्लोगन्स में या प्रोसेशंस में या भीड़ बढ़ाने के लिए नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि बच्चों का जो दिमाग होता है वो बहुत ही सॉफ्ट होता है. सॉफ्ट इन द सेंस कि वो बहुत इमोशनली सॉफ्ट होता है, साइकोलॉजिकली वल्नरेबल होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा न्यूरोप्लास्टिक होता है, ग्रोइंग होता है, डेवलपिंग होता है. उस पर इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है इन बातों का. जिन बातों को उनको समझ ही नहीं है, उसमें उनको क्यों इन्वॉल्व करना. सो टुडे द सोशल इम्पैक्ट इज stop this sort of child abuse. स्टॉप यूजिंग चिल्ड्रन एज प्रॉप्स, अपने फ़ायदे के लिए उनका मिसयूज़ करना बंद करिए। कहीं पर भी अगर आपको ये होता दिखे तो उसके खिलाफ आवाज़ उठाइए, उसके खिलाफ बोलिए। सो थैंक यू। चाइल्ड अब्यूज़ को हमने रोकना है। एक और वीडियो बनाऊंगी चाइल्ड अब्यूज़ पे, क्योंकि बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त बीमारी है हमारे देश में और इसके बारे में कोई चर्चा ही नहीं करता। नोबडी इज़ टॉकिंग अबाउट इट एंड इट्स हिडन अंडर द कार्पेट। सो इसके बारे में चर्चा करना, अवेयरनेस लाना बहुत ज़रूरी है। लेकिन आज इस मुद्दे पे मैंने बात करी है, इसको प्लीज़ प्रोपोगेट करिए। सो शेयर द वीडियो इफ़ यू लाइक इट। आई एम टॉकिंग ऑन सोशल इम्पैक्ट and I'll be taking up this talks every day at 7:30 p.m. So please share the video, join me, and please share your views and let me know if you want to talk on any other topic. Thank you. Signing off, Dr. Sona from Dehradun.